Suprajit Engineering Ltd, an automotive cable and halogen bulb manufacturer. The company was founded in the year 1985. They are based in Bangalore, with more than 1,000 employees and 700 workers. Company has 27 manufacturing plants located in India, USA, Mexico, UK, Germany, China, and Luxembourg. 18 plants are located in India, and the remaining 9 plants are international. The market cap of the company is 5,957 crore rupees, and currently trading at 431 rupees per share. The company has a 21% CAGR for 3-year sales growth, and 8% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. The main products of the company are control cables, with a production capacity of 400 million units per year, speedometers, with a production capacity of 500,000 units per year, halogen lamps, with a production capacity of 110 million units per year. Apart from this, company also manufactures braking systems, gearboxes, brake shoes and pads, and actuators. The products of the company are used in automotive, two-wheelers, aftermarket, and non-automotive segment. About 19% of the revenue is generated from automotive, 22% from non-automotive, 34% from aftermarket, and 25% from two-wheeler segment. The sales of the company for the last 4 years have been consistently growing. The profits of the company are also increasing year on year. Company is giving good dividends every year. The last dividend of 1 rupee and 10 paise per share was paid in February 2024. There has been no drop in the promoters' holding in the last 4 quarters. We can see a small portion of foreign investments in the company, and good portion of domestic investments, which are increasing from quarter to quarter. Some clients of the company are BMW, Volkswagen, Tata, Jaguar, Honda, General Electric, Piaggio, Larsen & Toubro, Tesla, and more. The company has good clientele from both domestic and international sector. Coming to some key highlights. Company is one of the top 6 companies that supply critical EV components to Tesla. They are largest manufacturer of automotive halogen bulbs in India. In 2023, they received the Best Enterprise of the State award by Karnataka State. Over the years, company did many acquisitions in cable and halogen bulb space. In 2024, company established a standalone division to cater customers with a focus on driving the EV revolution. They export to more than 50 countries, with a revenue concentration of 10% from exports and 90% from domestic. This has been a quick analysis of Suprajit Engineering Ltd. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.